Hey guys and girls, today's video is on the area of a triangle. So what you've noticed here actually, that this particular shape is not a triangle, but it is a parallelogram. So I'm just going to review the formula for a parallelogram, and that's going to relate to our finding the area of a triangle. So as we know, area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. So what we would do is we would look for the height in an object, and a lot of the time that's symbolized with the dotted line. So that would be the height, and the line that runs at a 90-degree angle or perpendicular to the height is the base. So that information is going to be important when we're finding the area of a triangle. So what you might have figured out by now is that a parallelogram is actually two triangles put together. So if I were to draw a line through this parallelogram, this is a triangle here, and that's a triangle at the bottom as well. So the formula for the area of a triangle is very similar to area of a parallelogram, except that you divide by 2 at the end, because if we simply just did base times height, we would be finding the area of the entire parallelogram. But as you can see, a parallelogram is two triangles in half. So if we were just finding the area of one triangle, we would have to divide our answer in 2 or divide by 2 to figure out what the area of that triangle would be. Okay, so if we were going to find the area of the triangle in this particular shape here, we would be looking for the same thing. We would be looking for what the height is, and again, we know that the height is always the number or the dimension that is beside the dotted line, so that will never change. And we also look for the base, which runs at a 90-degree angle with the height. So again, we apply our formula, A equals base times height divided by 2. And sometimes we can just do it in 2 different steps, right? So we take the base, which is 9 centimeters. We take the height, which is 4.5 centimeters, divided by 2. And that is 40.5 meters divided by 2. A equals 20.25 meters squared. So again, because we're finding area, we always have to square our answer. So our answer for the area of this triangle is 20.25 meters. Okay, and your assessment question that I want you to submit on Google Classroom is find the area of the purple triangle. And again, I want to see every single step. So apply the formula first, then plug in those numbers, divide by 2, and then give me your answers. Make sure that you square your answers, so your answer should be in centimeters squared. And please submit it right on Google Classroom. You can take a picture and upload it, or you can just put in all the work right in a private comment. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.